More Inspiration Nation. Today I'm talking about what's your strength. What is it that you are good at? Can you recognize it? What are you naturally driven towards? What is the thing that makes you fill up with pride and passion, and you know you have that hidden talent? Well, that's your strength. You need to build on that. You need to find something that utilizes your strength so you can continue to live your life in that way all day, because the more you build on your strengths, the more confident you become, the more effective you become, and the more stronger you become. And that leads into other opportunities and to stretch yourself into different careers, because you're playing to your strengths is such a critical thing, because a lot of the time we're checking boxes and doing things that we're not that particularly amazing at, and we're not enjoying them. So that's what it is. So don't forget, got a lot deeper on the Inspiration Nation podcast. It's inspiration.org.uk. Go catch it, go deeper, go get it, and let's have an amazing day. So remember, what's your strength? Inspiration Nation. Catch you guys later.